Hello everyone. In this video clip, I'm going to show you how to solve this permutation and combination question. Now let's read the question and understand what are the requirements. So we need to form 5-digit numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way until 9. So there are 10 numbers here. Now, what are the conditions that we need to fulfill in forming this 5-digit number? We have to get the number which contain only 2 prime digits. So only 2 prime digits, and that 2 prime digits must be next to each other, side by side. Okay, so let's look at the number that we have. Out of that, this 10 numbers, we can divide it into 2 groups. One is the prime number groups, one is the non-prime number groups. So prime number groups, we have 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, that means we have 4 of them. And the non-prime digit group will be 0, 1, 4, 6, 8, and 9. And there are 6 of them. So in order for us to form this 5-digit number, let me use the fill in the blank method. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in which that 2 prime digit must be next to each other. That means this space, we take it as one item. So we have 1 item, 2 items, 3 items, and 4 items. That means externally, we have 4 items to arrange. And after that, in which arrangement, in each arrangement, the one bulk item internally, they must rearrange. So over here, we have arrange externally, followed by internally. Okay, this is what we should do when we do arrangement for object that need to be side by side. Okay, and then since we have more than 5 empty spaces, therefore we have to first choose the sufficient number so that we can put into the next session, next phase, which is to arrange them. That means first we got to choose out of the 4 prime numbers, we need to choose 2, and then out of the non-prime number, we got to choose 3. Now the problem is we have 0 here. We know that the numbers, to form the numbers, 0 cannot be in front. Why? Because if we put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this 5-digit numbers actually is 1,234 only. So the 0 in front, it does not fall into the category of 5-digit number. So we have to settle this issue, this 0 issue. So with that, out of these 6 numbers, we have to separate into 2 groups. One is the 0 and another one is the 5 non-zero digit. Okay, 5 non-zero digit. Now we have 2 scenarios here. One is 5-digit numbers with 0. Okay, the first scenario is a 5-digit number with 0 in it. Another scenario is 5-digit number without the 0 in it. So for the first scenario, we will have 4 prime numbers, choose 2 first, followed by, now 0 must be in. So 0 must be in, that means we only left with 2 non-zero digit to go in. So 0 must be in, we put 1C1. And then we need another 2 non-zero digit. That means out of the 5 non-zero digit, we choose 2. Once we have done choosing, okay, so we now bring this pool of number to arrange it. So followed by the arrangement. Now, since we have 0 in it, out of the 4 spaces, the first space cannot be filled in with 0. That means we only have 3 items to go in. So out of 4, Okay, 0 cannot go in. That means we're only left with 3 items to go in the first empty space. So we have 3 choices in the first empty space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then after we have settled the non-zero digit in here, now the second empty space, 0 can go in. So out of the 4 items, 1 already go in the first item. Then we left with 3 items, okay? So that 3 items, we arrange it accordingly. So 3, 2, 1, okay? So therefore, this is externally followed by internally, the prime numbers is 1 items itself, so 2 factorial. So with this, we will get the total weighs 2,160. Okay, and the second scenario without 0 in it. So same thing, first we choose 2 out from the prime numbers, then followed by we choose 3 non-zero digit. Okay, so 5 we choose 3. Once we have done choosing, now we move on to the second phase, the permutation phase. So for that, 4 empty spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, whereby the first empty space can go in bulks. Yeah? So 4 items to arrange externally. So we have 4 factorial, followed by internally 2 items. Therefore, this one will give us 2,880. Now, two scenario don't happen at the same time. It's either this happen or that happen. Therefore, the total ways to get the 5-digit number that fulfill the condition, we just add the total, the number of ways of each condition. So our answer is 5,040. Okay, so should you have any question, please leave your question in the comment area. I come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.